The Ministry of Health announced on Friday that it will launch a nationwide polio immunization campaign targeting children under 5 years. The idea behind the 4-day countrywide campaign is to strengthen immunity among its targeted demographic and consolidate the wall of preparedness against any polio outbreak in the country. Omar Jobe has more.
The idea behind the 4-day countrywide campaign is to strengthen immunity among this target demographic and consolidate the wall of preparedness against any polio outbreak in the country. This announcement was made in a press briefing held at the Central Medical Stores in Kotu. The whole nation polio immunization campaign, according to Health Ministry officials, is scheduled for November 12 to 15, 2024. The ministry's expanded program on immunization (EPI) will lead the charge with support from various partners. The campaign aims to vaccinate approximately 426,481 children. Vaccination teams will visit homes to administer the polio vaccine to children under 5. During the Friday's briefing, the EPI program manager Siddharth Fofana emphasized the severe ramifications of the polio virus and urged the public to see vaccination as the only effective prevention method.
So now the one we are battling with is the vaccine-derived one. It's not in the human population, but it's in our environment, and we need to take care of it. If we fail to do so, it can find its way into the human population, as it is doing in some of our neighboring countries here, where children are being affected by polio, they are paralyzed by polio. So no country can survive well when you have a population of crippled people. That's difficult. So that is why we need to take care of this, in which way is we want to organize a vaccination campaign for all children under 5 years, 0 to 59 months.
WHO representative Asina Amina Sahid highlighted the importance of media involvement in spreading awareness of the campaign. She encouraged parents to support the initiative for the realization of the health aspiration of making the Gambia polio-free. The WHO country rep reaffirmed the global body's commitment to eradicating polio in the country.
This campaign, as we all know, is aiming to reaching our children from preventing them from getting polio, as we all know, as paralyzed children. With our support as media personnel, we'll be able to help the Gambia to be a polio-free country. I urge our parents and caregivers, especially our men, to support our mothers to help us get our children vaccinated when the campaign is on from the 12th to the 15th of November, and it's going to be a house-to-house campaign.
UNICEF representative Jacob Sach Akono also expressed UNICEF's dedication to supporting the vaccination campaign and called on the press to aid in this effort.
We are ready to support the country as we have been part of the Global Polio Eradication Initiative. And our mandate is to give the full support to the program for vaccine and for everything linked to communication. We are here to do that and to continue supporting the country, because it's a terrible thing to see a crippled child, and the UNICEF is hardly working for children all over the world. And the Gambia is part of our priority, actually, because of this epidemic going on. So we are calling all media personnel that are present here and some that are not here with us to kindly give the proper information to all the community to make sure that there is no child left behind for this campaign coming.
Community engagement and awareness are crucial for the campaign's success. Senior Program Officer Sahuru Kante from EPI discussed efforts to combat vaccine hesitancy and misinformation within communities.
The stakeholders, the PTA, and any other key member that we feel it is important for this campaign or for the success of this campaign, but also as alluded by Saharu, we are making sure that regional activities, that is the social mob activities, are happening at regional level to ensure that all those areas have been touched before we get to these final touches, and then make sure that people get the information for dissemination. So we are really taking our stance as far as such activities are concerned, and we are very cognizant of when and how to engage them and to make sure that they also get this information as they should, because the media alone is not enough. So you mentioned about the education, Minister of Education.
Polio, a disease caused by a virus that can lead to paralysis or death, primarily affects children. It spreads through contaminated food and water, but it can be prevented with a simple oral vaccine. For Star TV, I am Omar Jobe.